Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Made By watermark in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and start a new project. Next, import the video clip you wish to watermark into the project timeline. Once your video is loaded, locate and tap on the text option, usually found in the bottom menu bar. This is where we'll begin crafting your custom watermark. Now, select Add Text and type in your desired watermark, such as Made By your name. After typing, customize its appearance. Experiment with different font styles, adjust the size to be noticeable but not overwhelming, and pick a color that contrasts well with your video content. Finally, drag and position the text to an unobtrusive corner or area of your screen. To make your watermark more dynamic, consider adding a subtle animation. Capcut offers various text animations. Choose one that is gentle and doesn't distract from your main content. Crucially, extend the watermark's duration on the timeline so it appears throughout your entire video. Also, adjust the opacity, perhaps to 50% or 60%, to ensure it's visible but not intrusive. Before exporting, play through your entire video to ensure the watermark is perfectly placed and visible without hindering your content. Once satisfied, tap the Export button, usually in the top right corner, and select your preferred resolution and frame rate. Your video with a custom, Made By watermark is now ready. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.